Hey friend, welcome back to Mills Cottage. I'm Rebekah, and if you are new or this is your first time seeing my face, welcome. Today we are at my sister's church and I'm helping organize the pantry, trying to get a little bit more structured and to make sure everything has a place to live. So I will give you a full look around what we are starting with, and then Rachel's going to tell us what she's thinking, and then we'll just go from there. Here is the area that we're working on in today. And what is this space normally used for, Rachel?
This right now has been just used for a catch-all.
A catch-all?
But we need to make it more functional. So we need to organize these cabinets so that everything has a place, because people will do the dishes and then just leave them there. And because they don't know where anything goes.
Okay.
And so other people will just find a cabinet to shove it in.
Throw stuff in there.
And so then it's like nothing is organized and has a place.
Right.
So we just need these to be labeled with like the utensils, pots and pans, things like that. And then we could put like extras, like the paper towels, extras of like cleaning supplies, the bigger pot, if there's not space in the cabinets for those. You know, just trying to make everything have a place so that it's not so unorganized.
Right, absolutely.
Because I feel like if we label it, then they'll know where to put it back.
Right. And I brought my handy dandy label maker.
Yay!
And I also brought some random containers. I have 3 of these that were at my house that we aren't using, so I brought that. So the plan here is to kind of just assess what we have, where everything is, and then we're gonna pull everything out and then trying to make it more efficient and where it makes sense so anybody who can come in just knows where exactly everything goes.
It's labeled.
It's labeled, yeah. And then after we put everything back in its place, we'll see what, if we don't have enough containers, we'll see what need what. If I can't talk today. I need a coffee, another coffee.
We need caffeine stats.
Yes. And then so once everything's put back in their place, we'll see if anything needs an extra container or storage bin. Lazy Susan. And if we do, then we can go to Dollar Tree, Dollar General, wherever, and find the right things for that thing.
For the space.
Yeah, I think the number one tip for organizing is, 1, take everything out, clean it, clean the shelves, clean the cabinets, put it back to where it makes sense efficiently. And then you can go buy your bins, because if you're just gonna go to Container Store, Target, Dollar Tree, you're gonna buy so much stuff and it may not work with what you need, and then you have to go return it. So we're just saving some time, energy, gas money. Okay, so let's get to it.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. My friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, 'cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't. Looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. No.
Okay, we have everything cleared out, and this is what it looks like. Everything, all the drawers and cabinets are filled out except the cleaning supplies, which I'm just gonna leave and organize at the end. But we have some stuff over there, and then all the counter space is out. What I did is when I was cleaning them out, I tried to put them in groups. So you have all your silverware here, your knives. We have Ziploc bags, foil, tablecloths, paper and plastic plates, towels, forks, knives, and spoons, decorative napkins, that kind of stuff. And then I tried to put all this stuff that I knew was going to go in the storage. So just a reminder that it's going to look crazy before it gets better. You have to make it look crazy. You have to clear everything out, put it in groupings, and it's going to look very crazy. And it may overwhelm you, but just be prepared that you have to kind of get everything out, put it in their groupings, and then see what you need, what you don't need, what you want to give away, what needs to be thrown away. All right, so now what we're going to do is spray down and wipe down the cabinets and drawers. Okay, I think I'm done for the day. I have everything cleaned out. We put things back in place. We took things that didn't need to be in here in the storage room. And then I've labeled some stuff. I ran out of label tape, so I want to go buy some more. And then, so everything is put in its proper space, and we've labeled things. I ran out of label tape here, so I'm gonna have to go get more and come back and do the rest. But all the cups has its own label, and then here, and then we have coffee makers, beverage dispensers. So yeah, I just gotta come back and finish labeling the rest of the kitchen. So I will come back, finish labeling the kitchen, and then come back and clean the pantry room a different day. I'll see you guys when I get back. We're back. It's been about a week or less since last time I was here, and someone has kindly organized this room for me. It was junk all on these tables. It was madness. Things were all over the place. And someone has come in and cleaned up, organized for me. So all I have to do is label everything. So I'm going to label this room and then label the kitchen because I ran out of tape last time. Well, let's get to it.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know.
I probably just recorded that, didn't I?
It's okay. This isn't gonna be this is gonna be fast forward music over it.
Okay, great.
B-roll, if you will.
Oh, you're the only one for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the mountaintop. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Oh, there's something
pantry area. And everything has a label to it. Looks pretty good. I don't know who organized this, but thank you for me. All right, now to put labels in here.
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna show you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my lips, and that's how much they wanna kiss you and caress you and love you till my dying day. You're the only one I need, no one else. I tell your friends, I tell your family, I'm gonna let everyone know about my love. So I really hope you love me too. Yeah, 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 I really hope you love me too. Yeah.
Everything is done. It's been organized, cleaned, labeled, and it looks so much better in here. I'm about to show Rachel and Michael. This is their church. And I think what I'm gonna do is maybe in a couple of weeks, give it a couple of weeks to see how it functions, if anything needs to be moved around or maintenance, anything like that. So other than that, that's gonna be the end of this organizational video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, I really hope you love me.